Hi, my name is Travis. I'll be your host for today. Does anyone know what we're playing today? Jeopardy! Here's how it works. We have 4 different subjects that all have ties to Chapter 1. The Americas, Europe, and Africa before 1492. Within those subjects, we have questions that are worth 100 to 500 points. The questions all have to do with the 3 main concepts: tribes before 1492, migrants before 1492, and land. When we start, we will play rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. You choose your subject and what point amount you want. If you get the questions right, you choose another question, but if you get the question wrong, then the other person gets a chance to answer it correctly. If both get the question wrong, then no one gets those points. Whoever has the most points at the end is the history genius. Introducing contestant 1.
Hey, I'm Kevin Diaz. I am a computer science major, and I am a sophomore in college.
Introducing contestant 2.
Hi, my name is Lolita. I'm a sophomore at U of HD 2019, and my major is international business.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Kevin, since you won rock, paper, scissors first, you get to pick the first question.
Okay, I'm gonna go with democracy for 200.
Kevin, your question will be: this tribe sacrificed people in order to please the sun god for agricultural purposes.
Who is the Aztecs?
Kevin, you are correct. It is the Aztecs. Kevin, since you got the answer correct, you get to pick another question.
Okay, let's go with difference for 100.
How did the natives adapt to various environments?
What is agricultural system?
Kevin, that is wrong. Lolita, it's your turn.
So, what is migration?
Lolita, that is correct.
Thank you.
It is migration. Lolita, since you got the question correct, you get to pick another one.
Let's go with capitalism
Okay.
for 100.
What Mesoamerican culture had strong ties to Teotihuacan, built city-states along their major trade routes, and eventually died out due to a 2-century-long drought?
Who are the Mayans?
To update you guys, Kevin has 200 points and Lolita has 200 points. Lolita is going to answer the next question. Lolita, what question do you pick?
Let's go with mobility for 100.
The first inhabitants of what would be named the Americas migrated across the land bridge that existed between Asia and North America, known as the...
What is the bridge line?
That is incorrect. Kevin, what is your answer?
What is the Golden Gate Bridge?
That is incorrect, Kevin. The actual answer is Pharyngia. So no one gets these points. Lolita, it's your turn.
Let's go with democracy for 500.
Bold. This group believed that women should be in positions of power.
Can you reiterate what you said?
This group believed that women should be in positions of power. 500 for democracy.
Who are the Mayans?
That is incorrect, Lolita. Kevin, it's your turn.
I'm going to go with who is the Iroquois Confederacy?
That is correct. Since you got it correct, you get to pick the next question.
Okay. Let me go with mobility for 400.
Christopher Columbus set sail from Spain in 3 ships. What were the names of those ships?
I'm gonna go with La Nina, La Pinta, and Mayflower?
I'm sorry, but that is incorrect. It's your turn, Lolita.
What is the Mina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria?
That is correct. Lolita, since you got the question correct, you get to pick another one.
Let's go with difference for
How was it possible for the natives to cultivate crops when others were unsuccessful?
what is migration?
That is correct. Lolita, since you got that question correct, you get to pick on yet another one.
Let's go with democracy for 100.
How many tribes were a part of the Iroquois Confederacy?
What are the 6 tribes?
That is correct. What is your next question?
Let's go with mobility for 200.
Wait.
Where were slaves from West Central Africa being taken to?
Where is California?
Lolita, that is incorrect. Kevin?
I'm gonna go with what is Brazil and the Caribbean?
That is correct. Kevin, since you got that correct, what is the next question that you would like to pick?
Let's go with no, let's hit with some capitalism for 500.
Slaves were brought from Africa to the New World because of the ever-increasing number of workers to farm tobacco, sugar, and eventually rice and cotton. Who originally started slave trading for goods from the Mediterranean and paved the way for future slave trading?
Who were the Muslims?
That is correct. So to update everyone, Kevin here has 1,400 points, and Lolita is at 900 points. Kevin, since you won that, what is the next one you want to pick?
Let's go with capitalism for 200.
The Inca farmed on terraced lands they hacked from the steep mountains. Peasants who farmed land only received 1/3 of the crops they harvested. Who got the other 2/3 of the crop?
Who are the pilgrims?
That is incorrect. Lolita?
Who are the natives?
Lolita? That is incorrect. The correct answer is the Inca ruler got 1/3 and the rest was set aside for a welfare system. Kevin, it is your turn.
Okay. Let's go with mobility for 300.
What were the 3 motives for European exploration?
What is life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness?
That is incorrect. Lolita?
What is God, glory, gold?
That is correct.
Thank you.
Now that you got that question correct, what's your next one?
Let's go with difference for 300.
How were the French successful with the fur trade?
Who were the natives?
That is correct. Lolita, since you got that question correct, you get to pick the next one.
Let's go with capitalism, 300.
The Hopewell culture utilized waterways as trade routes. How far did these trade routes stretch?
4 miles. How long was 4 miles?
That is incorrect. Kevin?
present day Canada to present day Louisiana?
That is correct. Kevin, since you got that question correct, what is the next one you'd like to pick?
Let's do mobility for 500.
Christopher Columbus believed he could get to the Far East by sailing west. Why was this problematic?
Okay, well, problematic because what is wind current?
That is incorrect.
Why didn't he have enough staff?
That is incorrect. No one gets the points. Lita, what question do you pick?
Let's go with democracy for 400. And the young have the answer.
After the death of the Prophet Muhammad, it led to a unifying faith with political structure that caused many lands to fall under Muslim rule. Due to this, only those in this religion could own land or trade.
What is Islam?
That is correct.
I know.
Lita, since you got that correct, what is the next question?
Next question is democracy 300.
During Europe's feudal society, these people gave jobs to the knights and gave serfs protection in return for work.
Who are the lords?
That is correct.
All right.
What is the next question you'd like to pick?
Let's go with capitalism 400.
What country was the Catholic Church located in, where they owned vast tracts of land and became very wealthy by collecting tithes, but also rents on its land?
Where is Mexico?
That is incorrect, Lita. Kevin.
It's Euro. What is Euro?
That is correct. Kevin, it's the final question. So for difference at 400.
Okay.
How did the tobacco growing change the economy?
What is major cash crop?
That is correct. Now we will tally up the points. So Lolita is at 2,200 points, and Kevin is at 2,500. So Kevin is the history genius.